Worldcat is the 23.5 TE. Sweet, sweet little boat. Price tag of $186,465. Hefty price tag on this one. All right, we got the front here. Nice little seat. Probably could easily fit 3 people in there. Your anchor. So got some storage, I guess, anchor storage. Probably throw some life jackets in there too if you have to. Same thing. Yeti cooler, hard windshield, all molded in. Also proper fish boxes on the floor. There you go. Tremendous amount of storage. Same on the other side. This I'm sure is seating. I guess I don't want to pull it out, but it looks like it's more seating on both sides. Make it like a full forward seating on this boat. I guess this has to get out of the way. The cooler's got to be moved to get that door open. I'm not sure if there's a head in there or not. Take a peek. Yes, there is a little porta potty. Ample rod storage all over the boat. Assuming more fish boxes. Let's see what we got in there. Another little fish box, bait. And you got your live well. 30 gallon? 30 gallon live well. And this boat's being pushed with twin 150s.
Yeah, no, take your time. Yeah, back.
Slide out.
Thank you so much. You're welcome. No, don't mess with me. You can come up here anytime you want.
Tackle. Got Dave by the console. Dave, what do you think? Beautiful, right?
I would take this as my next boat, that's for sure.
Very well laid out boat. It's a very pretty boat.
Yeah.
I've always been a fan of the Worldcats.
I'd have a problem with me getting used to this nice area back in here being enclosed as well as it is.
Definitely get a little more protected from the weather, that's for sure.
Lot. It's really nice.
Got a Garmin in there.
12-inch Garmin.
Yep. Very pretty boat.
It is really I have a 20-foot Garmin.
Hey, Dave. Nice to meet you. I'm Eddie.
It's been a pleasure.
Island Yacht out of Lindenhurst, New York. We are the Worldcat dealer for the New York area.
Right.
You are on the 23 Worldcat TE Tournament Edition today.
Okay.
As you can see, this boat's equipped with the 150 Yamaha engines, electronic fly-by-wire controls, electric steering. This boat's equipped with 2 independent fuel tanks, 60 gallons a side. This boat will plane with 1 engine if there ever was an issue.
That's a good thing.
Yep. You have the Garmin 12-inch screen.
Right.
You have the Yamaha CL7 digital. This tells you your fuel, your tack, your trim. You have all the Worldcat switches here, which are push button and illuminated. Yeah, yeah. This boat has windows on the side that will open up to give you ventilation, which is a nice feature as well. You have a little cutout here on the dash to put your cell phone and wallet or wherever you want when you're fishing. Built-in windlass control, push button start. Nice Edison steering wheel, very comfortable.
JL audio system.
Nice. Yeah, JL audio system, nice amplifier. This is access to get to the hard top, the wiring and whatnot.
Yeah.
If you wanted to add something, you can very easily drag a wire through there. All LED lighting. You can see all the powder coating, all done in-house. And at our dealership, we provide all the service you need, all the warranty you need. We'll deliver it to you full of fuel, Pick it up at the end of the year when you're done.
Right.
Turnkey service.
Done. Gotcha.
Turnkey service.
Where are you guys based out of?
We're in Lindenhurst, New York, and we have a sales center in Bohemia,
Bohemia.
off of Sunrise Highway. We sell Everglades, Worldcat, and Sailfish.
Everglades 24-3, sweet boat. Do they still make
243 is a sweet boat. They do still make that boat. They have a 253 as well that you can get equipped with a 400 horsepower.
that one? Yeah, it's a nice boat.
Very nice boat. Very nice boat.
But when it comes to cats, we are on the one.
Worldcat. You can see the fit and finish for yourself
It's a gorgeous
and
boat.
be your own judge.
Yeah,
If you'd ever like to take a ride on it, Dave, you can come down to our dealership, make an appointment. I'll put it in the water and take you out.
They absolutely utilized every space they could. Fish boxes everywhere.
Absolutely.
storage everywhere. If I'm not mistaken, those are front seating to me.
They are. They pull down, yep, and they fold back up. That's what makes this a tournament edition. So you can do 360 fishability. You're fighting a little yellowfin, you can work the nose, get it around.
Great feature.
It's really nice. It's really nice. Yeah.
Real pretty boat. Always been a fan of the world.
This is a great.
Very nice to hear that. Yeah, for the rods, for sure. They poke through. Yeah. And Dave, what we could do for you at our dealership too, if you like, is we can install custom canvas wings. We can install a pilot house enclosure for you to give you more comfortability in the early spring or late fall for fishing. Or if you get caught out on a rainy day.
Also, the seating's nice. Too.
Absolutely.
The stand.
Yep.
Everything here is
20%.
on top of what mine is.
Yep.
Because mine's so basic.
Yeah.
This is great.
Beautiful boat.
Yeah, Parkers are a great boat. They're a little commercial, a little utilitarian.
Yeah, mine.
So Dave, are you looking to trade in or?
I'm giving it some thought.
Yeah.
I'm not really ready.
I'm sorry, buddy.
Does he need a good-looking model?
He's got one. I did my hair and everything.
A perfect shine.
Go home, Paulie.
That's one of our buddies.
I see Paulie likes to tease a little.
Yes.
Well, we like that about Paulie.
Oh, it's really a pretty boat.
Yep, dual live wells.
Any sneeze?
A little bit of sneeze, yes. You get that with any cat haul.
I know, that's
Yeah, you get that with any cat haul. Now it's a different ride, a different feel with a cat haul than a V bottom.
It's a much softer.
Yeah, it's great on a drift.
Yeah.
Great on a drift. Yep. Yep.
I have to say, it's definitely a pretty boat. They did a nice
Be
job.
nice
This
with
is
my
a very
fly
big 23 foot.
Yeah.
Very big 23.
The only problem I'd have is
What's that, Dave?
the T-top.
You don't like T-top?
Well, I love T-tops, but I fly fish.
You might break a couple rods.
I could cut that off for you.
No, that's, there's plenty of room up there.
Yes, yes. And if you want to bring family and friends, those seats can fold down, accommodate you. There is a porta potty as well, 3-gallon porta potty inside the head.
What's the range on this?
Well, it depends how you run it, but this has 60 gallons each side. It's 120 gallons of fuel. I want to say probably 200 miles.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I know there's a trick to getting in there.
To the head?
Yeah.
So I'm going to come around this way, Dave, and show you. So we're just going to pull this cooler up a little before you get out of your way. And it's just a handle here. And then you have a porta potty in here.
Look how nice that.
Yeah.
There's not a room in there too for storage.
Yeah, there's good storage there. There's storage under the seat as well up front here.
It's a ton of storage as well. They really utilized every
That's
piece of
insulated
storage.
as well, so you could use it as a cooler or fish or put your life jackets and whatnot.
And these just open up into the sponsors.
Yes.
Storage, life jacket storage, whatever.
Let's open it up and take a look.
That's sweet.
Yeah.
They really did utilize every piece of this boat. Everything.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
Does that go all the way back? Or? I can't tell from here.
No, it stops about here, Dave. About
I got you, right.
about a foot back.
And I assume it drains into the bilge?
Yes.
Yes. Very nice.
So if
Hey,
you have
thank
any,
you so much.
my pleasure meeting you guys. Any questions? Feel free to reach out.
May I
Love
have a card?
to. Absolutely, I'd love to help you any way I can.
Thank you so much, Ed.
Okay. And we're here all weekend if you want to come back and see us.
Once again, we are on the Worldcat 23TE, or the 23.5TE.
23.5T.
23.5T.
Yeah.
Great boat. Beautiful. Very, very nice.
Yep. Island Yacht. Come check us out.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thanks again.
You got it.